Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and let me show you how to connect this car with the iPhone by using the Apple CarPlay. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the cable. The cable is connected to the USB socket, and let's prepare the iPhone. So now you need to unlock the iPhone and simply connect it by using this cable. So just press it. Let's wait a few seconds, and the car should automatically enable the Apple CarPlay. Sometimes you need to just confirm it on your iPhone, but it's just one click by tapping allow. And as you can see now, you can use the Apple CarPlay. So here you've got a few interesting things. You can use your phone by using the phone, music, maps. Maps are really important because these maps from Suzuki are sometimes not so perfect as those from Apple or from the Google Maps, because here you can also use the Google Maps, as you can see right here. If you have some apps, for example, from your smart home, for example, to open your gate, you can also have the access to them here. You've got here also, for example, the Spotify, the WhatsApp, YouTube Music. You've got some settings that you can customize. As you can see here, you can choose the driving focus, and you can activate with CarPlay, so driving focus silences some alerts, and notification incoming calls will not be silenced while you are using the CarPlay. Let's go back. You've got here also the announce messages, so you can enable the announce messages. You can also choose the announce options, so you can, for example, announce new messages, silence new messages, remember previous settings. You've got also enable here options to turn on announcements, as you can see right here. You can also enable the appearance. I am using the automatic, but you can for example, use always dark. Let's go back. You can here also use the wallpaper. As you can see here with the wallpapers, you've got some accessibility that you can use, like color filter, bold text, voice control. You've got also the Siri and suggestions, so you can use suggestion dashboard, or you can automatically send messages. Here you can also show apps behind Siri, quite useful, and you can also enable show album art. So that's it. If you would like to disable the Apple CarPlay, you can, for example, use this home button and you will be back in Suzuki home screen, or of course you can simply unplug the iPhone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.